Hi everyone, in this video we are going to compute the cost of calls from a mobile service provider. As usual, algorithm first and then the code. So let's simplify. Talk More mobile phone service provider requires a program to compute the cost of national and international calls. National calls are of two types, namely same network and other network. The cost of the calls is determined as follows. The days of the week are coded 1 through 7 for Monday through Sunday respectively. Also, same network, different network international calls have codes 1, 2, and 3 respectively. You are required to write a computer solution that will accept as the code for the day and the code for the type of the call, which is the same network, other network, or international. In addition, your computer solution should accept for each call the length of the call in minutes and the time a call started. The time will be inputted in 24-hour notation so that time 1:48 is put as 13:48. So, to the algorithm. From the question, we are to accept as input the code for the day, the code for the type of the call, the length of the call, and the time a call started. Again, according to the question, any call started between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday is charged as follows. So, Monday through Friday, that is through code of the day 1 to 5, any call started between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. That is through 700 and 1900. Remember, we are to enter the time in 24-hour notation. Since there are three types of calls with codes 1 through 3, we say if the call type is 1, then the cost of the call is the length of the call times the charge for same network. Else, if the call type is 2, then the cost of the call is the length of the call times the charge for other networks. Else, that is if it's 1 or 2, then the cost of the call is the length of the call times the charge for international calls. So the overview is that if you are making a call between Monday through Friday and the call is between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m., then depending on the type of call, these are the costs. Else, that is, if your call is not between 7 a.m. through 7 p.m., but between Monday through Friday, then the cost of your call will be the length of your call times the charge. So we are going to do the same for all the call types, that is 1 through 3, with their different call charges. That is for same network, different network, and then international calls. We say else. This else goes with the days between Monday through Friday, meaning this time are dealing with days outside that, which are Saturdays and Sundays. So this else means that outside Monday through Friday, which is Saturdays and Sundays. So we compute for charges for same network, other networks, and then international calls. Now we end our if statement. So this if block here deals with days outside Monday through Friday. That is for only Saturdays and Sundays. Then we check for same networks, other networks, and international calls. So we end our if statement. Now we print out the cost of the call. All right, friends, we are through with the algorithm. Let's take a look at our code in C++. But before that, I will encourage you to like the video and also subscribe for new updates. So now to our code in C++. In my int main function, I declared day code, type of call code, and time call started as integers. I also declared length of call and cost of call as doubles because they could either hold an integer value or a decimal value. I then asked the computer to display to the user, enter the day code and move to the next line, the \n. On the next line, the computer should also show to the user the day each number corresponds from Monday through Sunday, all on a new line. So you can see the \n all in here. Then I ask the user to enter an integer value an integer value for the day code. Then moving to the next line, that is C out end line, I ask the computer to display to the user, enter the type of call, and also display what each number from 1 through 3 corresponds with. And then move to the next line. Here, I take the time the call started from the user. And lastly, I take the length of the call as well. In our if block, if the day is from Monday through Friday and it's between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and a call is placed, then this block of calls should be executed depending on the type of call. Else, that is, if the call was made outside 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., then this block of calls should be executed depending on the type of call. Now, we end our first if statement with these curly braces. And else, that is, if a call was made on either Saturday or Sunday, then this block of calls should be executed depending on the type of call. That is, either it was same network, other networks, or an international call. We end our statement with curly braces and then display cost of call in Ghana cedis and then attach the double value of cost to this string. Now I'm going to enter some values and then we run our code. I entered 6 for Saturday, 1 for same network, 12 o'clock for when my call began, and then 7 minutes for the length of my call. On pressing enter via my keyboard, the cost of my call is 0. You remember, Saturday same network calls are free from the question. Our code is running properly as usual. So that's it for this problem. See you in the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me beat YouTube's algorithm. Till then, a party!